Blogger Jen Goody loves to get creative with her family. They are always crafting and cooking together, for events, holidays, or just because. She created this charming Easter decoration to hang up at home or to give as a gift. We'll show you how to make one right now. You're going to need a few supplies, including a pre-cut foam shape. Now, these are already cut for us, so we don't even have to alter it one bit. We've got some glitter glue, some painty markers, clear glue, and of course you're going to need some scissors. The best part about this project is she's created these templates for us, which you can download and print so they're ready for you, waiting for your creativity. We're going to start off by coloring them in, and we like to use glitter glue. Now, I know coloring with glitter glue sounds a little weird, but let me tell you why. Well, first of all, glitter. Second of all, it's translucent, which means you can kind of see through it, so it gives it a real nice transparent sheen. And you can just put a little glob down and then use a disposable paintbrush to kind of smush it around. And it's really pretty and really sparkly. So you'll go ahead and color these in however you like. I'm gonna be honest, I think it's even fun to blend the colors a little bit. So you can go ahead and start with one color and then add another one on top, just to give it a little more dimension and fun. Now, if you don't celebrate Easter or you don't want to use it for Easter, you can cut this out and flip it over and write anything you like on your banner. So I've got one here that's all dry, because you're going to want to have it all dried and ready to go. And you can just cut these out however you like, and you can even be creative and create your own if you want. But once they're all dried and cut out, we'll start assembling it all together. So let me show you what that looks like. So now we have our template all cut out, and we're going to assemble it. I'm going to go ahead and just use a little bit of glue stick to put this down. But you know, if you got a chance to maybe use a craft knife with adult supervision, you could actually cut this section out. But I like having the white space because then it allows us to draw or color it in the way we want. Don't worry about that purple glue. It's going to dry clear for you too. Also, in addition to our cutout pieces, we can add some hand-drawn elements. And I think that's so nice when you're giving a handmade gift. So this is a painty pen, and it also dries a little darker than what you see here. And if you wanted, you can even go over it a second time. So I'm just going to make some fun little dots and dashes, just like this. Just have fun with it. I mean, think about how you would decorate an Easter basket or a gift basket or a birthday basket. You can just really have a fun time with it. And then we're going to go ahead and add some of these other elements as well. But you could also add some stickers or foamy shapes. Think about what you have at home that might make this personal and fun for you. Just like this. Now, I'm going to go back and I'm going to take that banner and I'm going to position it along the top, like so. Meanwhile, you notice that this paint pen is taking its time to dry. And then we're going to go ahead and add some more glitter on top of the white. And when you add the glitter on top of the white pen, it actually makes it stand out a little bit better. Now, this is a blue shape, but maybe you would want pink or yellow. Well, you know, these are white on the back side. So you could even paint it with tempera paint first to make it exactly how you like it. And I always love a craft project that's open-ended and personalizable, which is what this is. Don't forget, your templates are online, so if you've missed any bit of this, don't worry, we've got you covered. And I'm going to keep adding on some little elements. This time I'm using the glitter glue to make everything stick down. And we'll just keep adding on little buttons and bows. And again, I think it would be so much fun to add, maybe a hand-drawn sentiment in here, or some hearts, or maybe even a little family portrait. I'm going to add some gold glitter just like this. So while this is kind of set up to be a home decoration, you could also give this as a card.